Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Invert, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can add beautiful filter effects to the images in your website using CSS in your web page if you are using like HTML and CSS. So I will show you in my software in Adobe Dreamweaver. So you can see Dreamweaver is open, and I have also created a folder, new folder, and you can see here one image. So we will apply the filter effects to this image. So what I will do, I will go to Dreamweaver, site, new site, and these are filter effects for example, and locate site folder. So we will select the folder from here, new folder, and save it. So you can see now the folder, we can see in the files, and there is one image. So we will go to file and new, we will create a new HTML file, and we will save this file as index, and Dreamweaver will save it automatically as index.html. So we will use this HTML file, and we can also apply styles in the head section of HTML. So what I will do in body, first of all, I will add this image which we have in this folder. So image src, and then you can see one.jpg, and then alternative text I will make like one. So if I press F12, so we can see the preview in the browser. So you can see this is like a normal image. Yes, now we will go back to the Dreamweaver. So now we will add CSS. So to add CSS, we will add just after the title style tag. So now in between, in this style tag sorry, we can apply CSS filter effects. So for example, now we want to apply to this image. So what I will do, like I will type image and then this bracket open and like this. So the first thing, like we want to apply filter. So what we will do, filter, blur filter. Okay, so we will start with filter. You can see filter will appear here. So filter, and here you can see, as I told you, the first we will apply blur. So we will click on the blur, and then you can also type even. So blur like 5 pixels. So if now you see the image that is blur, you can see, amazing. So we have added the blur effect. Now if we increase it like 25 pixels, so you can see it's more blur. Okay, like 3 pixels, so you can see it's less blur. So this is the blur filter that we can add like this. The second is grayscale. So same thing in filter, you will type here grayscale. Now grayscale you can mention like 100%. okay, and you can see it will change into a grayscale image. So if in your website you want to apply grayscale effect to your images, and without using like Photoshop, so in Dreamweaver using CSS you can apply like this. Okay, and now the next is brightness. For example, I will remove this one, and you can see the normal images like this. Now if I want to reduce the brightness, or if I want to increase the brightness, so I will use filter and then brightness. So in brightness, like 100% is normal, like this, you can see as the normal image. But if I want to reduce the brightness, so like 50%, so you can see brightness is reduced. Now if I like use 25%, it's like this. Even 0%, it will turn into black, you can see like this. And again I will apply 50%, you can see like this. And if I want to increase, so I will apply 150%, so you can see it's the brightness is now increased than even the normal image has. So like this we can apply brightness. Now our next filter is drop shadow, so we can type here filter and then drop shadow, drop hyphen shadow, and inside the brackets we will type like 7 pixels and like 9 pixels and gray. So we have mentioned, like you can see the color of the drop shadow is gray, and it will appear like you can see from right side and from bottom. You can see 7 pixels, 10 pixels, 9 pixels I have applied. You can even increase it, like this is 9 pixels, this is 9 pixels, and this one is 10 pixels. So you can see it's a bit increased. So that is drop shadow. Okay, and the next is we can use Hue Rotate. So Hue Rotate we will apply first. You can see the image is normal like this, so I will apply filter hue hyphen rotate. So the rotation level we can apply like 90 degree, and you can see hue will apply and also it's 90 degree, so it looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the Hue Rotate filter. Okay, the next we have invert. So we will apply filter and invert, and invert like 100% you can make it, and it will change into invert. So you can see we have applied invert filter to this image. The next is like if we want to control the opacity transparency of this image. So you can see normal image is like this. So I will choose here filter opacity, and opacity like 30% I will apply. So you can see now it's transparency, you can see 30%. So if you choose like 130%, so you can see something like, so 0 to 100 actually. So 100% you can see like this. Okay, and 50%, 15% like this, 50% like this. So from 0 to 100% you can select. Okay, 0 to 100% you can select. So this is opacity. Then we have saturate. So saturate even you can apply without like percentage, that will count as percentage of filter. Saturate 9 for example, you can see saturation level 9 you can see has been applied like this. Okay, then if you want to convert your image into sepia, so you can apply filter sepia. So sepia like 100% I will apply, and you can see the image will convert into sepia image. The sepia effect will apply. So these are some effects, some filter effects. So I explained to them, and you can even you have used any backend software. I explained in Adobe Dreamweaver. So you use any backend software, just you are using HTML, CSS. So even in the WordPress also, if you are an advanced user, so you can create a class for that specific image, and in the CSS section you can apply to that specific class these filters. So simply you can apply these filter effects to your images using the filter CSS. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you so much once again.